As you can see, check out what I did. I took the same things that I had posted on Craigslist and I put them on YouTube to be viewed. The amazing thing about this is that I did not put any videos on, but I did have videos of these items. Would have been much more simple. I could have put one video to show everything I needed in a matter of seconds. I didn't do that. I made it a little more complex, but I just wanted to show that I could list items efficiently with music or with audio to describe, wording to describe, and the amazing thing is it's free of charge to list and to view for the local area, Bellefontaine, Shelby County, Champaign County, even the surrounding counties, depending on whether it's a vehicle or what the item is. And the privacy is that I give the information to the seller from the buyer, and you decide to contact whether or not yes or no. But this was an amazing little idea, and it fared well for me, and it's completely free. I just wanted to give you this example and show you what I did. I'll add categories and I'll add playlists.